I wanted to share with you a few tips on how you can create the ultimate home theater experience. Now, if you're like me and you love movies, there's nothing better than sitting at home in your hoodie or under a blanket, watching the latest blockbuster or one of your favorite classics. Anyone watching T2 in 2025? Drop us a comment with your favorite movie or show you enjoy relaxing to. When done correctly, you won't even feel like you're at home. You'll actually feel like you're at the theater. So let's jump right into it. Number 1. Dolby Atmos. Now, obviously, surround sound makes for a much more immersive movie experience. But if you really want to take it to the next level, you have to have Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, you have speakers in the ceiling that bounce sound off the floor and ceiling, giving you this 3D audio experience. And this allows for 128 different audio objects within a 3D space. So there's a much more pinpoint accuracy to where sounds are coming from. And with the latest receivers, you can actually have up to 4 different overhead speakers, which is going to give you a much more immersive experience. If you don't want to go through the hassle of mounting speakers in your ceiling, you could opt for upward firing speakers instead. These typically mount above your front speakers and point towards the ceiling, creating that immersive experience. Number 2. Soundproofing panels. Now, if you really want to be taken out of your living room and into the theater, you have to have some sort of soundproofing in order to deaden the space and not have sound echo within the room itself. And also to keep noise from escaping and your neighbors calling the cops because your movie is so loud. There's a couple different ways to do this. You can either go with rigid fiberglass panels like these, or you can go with a fabric-wrapped acoustic panel like this. These are the ones that we typically recommend to our customers. They look really nice, and they perform extremely well. Number 3. Screen size and placement. Obviously, the bigger the screen, the more immersive the experience. But what size is too big? There's no concrete answer to that question, because it all depends on how far away you are from the screen. Most experts agree that you should be about 1.5 times the width of the screen away from it. For example, if you have a 100-inch wide screen, you should be sitting about 150 inches away from it. Another important thing to consider is where you place the screen. Typically, you want to have it centered on the wall, and you want to have it about 1/3 of the way down from the ceiling. Number 4. Seating. Now, this is another thing that really takes your home theater to the next level. There's nothing like sitting on your own couch watching a movie. Get creative with your space. Whether you buy expensive theater-like seating or just a few beanie bags for you and the family, the possibilities are endless. And lastly, number 5. Lighting. Now, you never want to have your lights on while you're watching a movie, but there are different ways to light your space without ruining the immersion. One option is to get smart LED light bulbs. Have you seen our video on smart lighting? Link in the description. That way, you can adjust the brightness to whatever you desire. Another option is to get smart bulbs like these. And with the click of a button or a voice command, you can create and trigger routines that change the brightness, change scenes, and even the color of the lights, along with many other cool features. Remember to check out our video on smart lighting to learn more about how to install and use smart bulbs and other smart lighting devices. Be sure to send us pictures of your space in the comments. We love seeing cool setups. So now it's your turn. What are some of your tips on how to create the ultimate home theater experience? Make sure to leave them in the comments below. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you can help us grow our channel and our community. Thanks for watching.